Let's talk about some important Linux commands. For file content and searching, cat, it displays or concatenates the file. Less, it views content page by page. Grep, grep, search specific patterns in the file. We have a find command that is used to search file or a directory. Commands for system information. Top, it displays memory, disk and CPU. PS displays current process. DF, it displays disk space uses. VM stat, it checks memory uses. Networking commands. ipconfig or IP shows config network uses. Ping, check network connection. SSH, used for secure connections. File permission and ownership commands. chmod, is used to change file permission. chown, it is used to change file ownership. Commands for log analytics. Tail, it displays end of file and display logs. General CTL, it is used for query or display system logs. Now more basic and more used commands like file and directory commands. ls, it is used to list directory. cd, it is used to change directory. pwd, print current working directory. mkdir, it is used to make a directory. rm, it is used to remove files. cp, it is used to copy files. mv, move or replace files. Please like, comment and subscribe if you like this video.